वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
सारवत् विश्वतोमुखम्
सारवत् विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
अयिवन्
निवुन्
ऋलुक्
ऋलक्
एओङ्
एओङ्
ऐऔच्
ऐऔच्
हयवरट्
हयवरट् लन्
यामाङ्गाणम्
यामानम्
जभै
झभै
घटदश
घटदश
जबगडदश
जबगडदश
खप चटथ चटथौ
चटतौ
कपै
कपै
शशसर
शशसर
हल
हल
अकुविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
अकुविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
इचुयशानां तालु
इचुयशानां तालु
ऋटुरशानां मूर्धा
ऋटुरशानां मूर्धा
ऋतुलसानां दन्ताः
ऋतुलसानां दन्ताः
उपोपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
न्यामाङ्घ्ननां नासिका च
नासिका च
एदैतोः कण्ठतालु
एदैतोः कण्ठतालु
ओदौतो गो कंठ ओष्ठम
ओष्ठम्
कारस्य दंत ओष्ठम
अकारस्य दन्तोष्टम्
जह्वा मूलीयस्य जुह्वा मूल्यम्
जिह्वामूल्यस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
नासिकानुस्वारस्य
मोराजमनिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे
रामो सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
सुऔजस्
सुऔजस्
औटशस्
औषस्
ताभ्याम्बिस्
ताभ्याम्बिस्
ङेभ्याम्ब्यस्
नेभ्याम्ब्यस्
सीभ्याम्ब्यस्
नसीभ्याम्ब्यस्
यस् ओस् आम्
नस् ओस् आम्
ङि ओस् सुप्
नी ओस् सुप्
सु औजस्
सुऔजस्
The first five pratyas, su, aujas, and out. What are these called?
Sarvanama.
Yes, Sarvanamasthana pratyaya. The name, you know it. The usefulness of this name, we will see later. Similarly, 3, 2, 3, 3, 4, 2, 4, 3, and 5, 2, 5, 3, and 7, 3. The pratyas of these places, with respect to the pratyas, that which precedes, what is that? The prakriti, that is the pratipadikam. That pratipadikam enjoys the status of padam also. So therefore, the rules applicable to padam are applicable. So the 5 places, the first 5 places are Sarvanamasthana, and these 3, 2, 3, 3, 4, 2, 4, 3, etc. The Pratipadikam plays a role of the padam also. Similarly, for Napumsakalinga, this is common for Strilinga, Pullinga, and Strilinga. For Napumsakalinga, 1, 3, and 2, 3. For Napumsakalinga, Jas and Shas. These are the Sarvanamasthana. Jas and Shas. 1, 3, and 2, 3. Remember this. The first 5 places are for Pullinga and Strilinga, whereas 1, 3, and 2, 3. Jas and Shas for Napumsakalinga. So the 5 pratyas can be represented by the pratyahara sut. starting from su, ending with the takara. So sut. Sut is his sarvanama sthana for pullinga and strilinga. You can note this. Jas and shas are the sarvanama sthana for napumsakalinga. So when we say su au jas, sarvanama sthana for pullinga and strilinga, sambodhana also included because that is also su au jas. Similarly, napumsakalinga 1, 3 and 2, 3, jas and shas are sarvanama sthana. So jas is there in sambodhana also, that is also included. Okay, this information will be useful later. Continuing. Tiptasji,
Siptasji.
Siptastha,
Siptastha.
Mipvasmas,
Mipvasmas.
Ta atamja,
Atamja.
Thas atam dvam,
Atam.
It vahi mahing,
Mahing.
Ti taha anti,
Anti.
Si taha tha,
Taha.
Mi vaha maha,
Maha.
Te ate ante,
Ante.
Se ate dve, Ye vahe mahe,
Mahe.
Now we can take a dhatu from the fourth gana. The last dhatu what we see was, I think from this Vishesha dhatu, Shamadi Antargana, I think. We can take from the Vishesha Dhatavaha now. Jani. Jani is Jan, Pradurbhave. Pradurbhave means that which is, Pradurbhave, born. Jan, Janma, the word Janma and all come from this dhatu. Jani, that E is ith letter, Jan. Jan is the content. Sundarji, you can do the Lat Lakara form for the Jan dhatu. Jan dhatu, fourth gana, Atmanipadi, meaning is Pradurbhave.
Jayate,
Yes.
Jayate, Jayante, Jayase, Jayethe, Jayadve, Jaye, Jayavahe, Jayamahe.
Jayamahe. Yes. Continuing. Karoti, Kurutaha, Kurvanti,
Karoti. Gurutaha. Kurvanti.
Karoshi, Kurutaha, Kurutha,
Karoshi. Gurutaha. Gurutha.
Karomi, Kurvaha, Kurmaha,
Karomi. Maha.
Te Kurvate, Kurvate,
Kurvate.
Kurushe, Kurvate, Kurudve,
Kurve.
Kurve, Kurvahe, Kurmahe,
Mahe.
Takara, Tam,
Sakara,
Sakara, Tamta,
सकरातं च
व म
व मा
त आताम अन्त
त तं
अन्त
थाह आथाम ध्वम
ताहातां
ई वही मही
मही
Ramaji, you can do lang lakara.
अजायत अजायेताम् अजायन्त अजायथाः अजायेथाम् अजायध्वम् अजाये अजायावहि अजायामहि
Akarot, akarotam, akurvan,
अकरोत्
अकरोत्
अकुरुताम्
अकुरुताम्
अकुर्वन्
akaroho, akurutam, akuruta,
अकरोः
अकुरुतम् अकुरुत
अकुरुत
akaravam, akurva, akurma,
अकरवम् अकुर्व
अकुर्म
akuruta, akurvatam, akuruta, akurvata,
अकुर्वाताम् अकुर्वत्
akuruthaha, akurvatham, akurudvam,
ताः अकुर्वाताम् अकुरुध्वम्
अकुरुध्वम्
kurvi, akurvahi, akurmahi,
अकुर्वी अकुर्वहि कुर्महि
asti staha santi,
अस्ति स्तः सन्ति
asi staha sta,
असि स्तः स्त
asmi swaha smaha,
अस्मि स्वः स्मः
asit astam asan,
आसीत् अस्ताम् आसन्
asihi astam asta,
आसीः आस्तम् आस्त
asam asva asma,
आसम् आस्व आस्म
tu tam antu,
ताम् अन्तु
tam ta,
तं
ani ava ama,
आनि मम
tam itam antam,
ताम् इताम्
अन्ताम्
sva itham dvam,
स्व इत्थाम् त्वम्
ai avahai amahai,
आवहै आमहै
Mataji, you can do.
Yeah. Jayatam, jayetam, jayantam, jayasva, jayetam, jayadvam, jayay, jayavahi, jayamahi.
Karotu, kurutam, kurvantu,
करोतु ताम् कुरुतान्तु
Kurvantu,
kuru, kurutam, kuruta,
कुरु कुरुतं कुरुत
karavani, karavava, karavama,
करवाणि करवाम
kurutam, kurvatam, kurvatam,
कुरुताम् कुर्वताम् कुर्वताम्
kurushva, kurvatam, kurudvam,
कुरुष्व कुर्वताम् कुरुध्वम्
karavai, karavavahai, karavamahai,
करवै
Havai,
करवावहै करवामहै
Karavamahi,
id, itam, iyuhu,
Itam, Iyuhu,
Ihi, Itam, Ita,
Itam,
Itam, Ita,
Iyam, Iva, Ima,
Iyam,
Iyam,
Iva,
Iva,
Ima,
Ima,
Ita, Iyatam, Iran,
Ita,
Yatam, Iran,
Iran,
Itaha, Iyatam, Idvam,
Taha,
Iyatam,
Idvam,
Idvam,
Iya, Ivahi, Imahi,
Iya, Ivahi,
Ivahi,
Imahi,
Imahi,
Krishnaji.
Yes. Jayeta, Jayeyatam, Jayeran, Jayetah, Jayeyatam, Jayedvam, Jayeya, Jayevahi, Jayemahi.
Kuryat, Kuryatam, Kuryubhu,
Kuryat,
Kuryat,
Kuryatam,
Yatam, Kuryuhu,
Kuryaha, Kuryatam, Kuryata,
Kuryaha, Kuryatam, Kuryata,
Kuryata,
Kuryam, Kuryava, Kuryama,
Kuryam,
Yam,
Kuryave, Kuryame,
Yama,
Kurvita, Kurviyatam, Kurviran,
Kurvita, Kurviyatam,
Yatam,
Kurviran,
Viran,
Kurvithaha, Kurviyatam, Kurvidvam,
Kurvitaha,
Kurviyatam,
Kurviyatam,
Kurvidvam,
Kurvidvam,
Kurviya, Kurvivahi, Kurvimahi,
Kurviya,
Kurvivahi,
Kurvimahi,
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 Astu Stam Santu,
Astu
Astu
Sam
Sam
Santu,
Santu,
Edhi Stam Sta,
Edhi
Edi
Sam
Sam Sta,
Asani, Asava, Asama,
Asani,
Asani,
Asava,
Asava, Asama,
Syat, Syatam, Sihu,
Syat,
Syat,
Syatam, Syuhu,
Syuhu,
Syaha, Syatam, Syata,
Syaha, Syatam, Syata,
Syata,
Syam, Syava, Syama,
Syam,
Syam,
Syava, Syama,
Syama,
Yama.
next person, Ganeshji,
34.
34. Yeah, please do.
34. Okay. Tadviddhi pranipatena परिप्रश्नेन सेवया उपदेक्ष्यन्ति ते ज्ञानं ज्ञानिनस्तत्त्वदर्शिनः. सेवया परिप्रश्नेन सेवया, no sandhi here. So pranipatena, I think it's no sandhi here also. Tad viddhi, here we see jaspam sandhi.
Yes.
Takara becomes dakara. Tat viddhi.
Yeah, tad viddhi. Yes.
Then next line. Jnaninas tattvadarshinaha. So tattvadarshinaha. I think it's one word, but if you can say tattvadarshinaha, then jaspam happens at tat.
Tattvadarshinaha is one word.
One word.
Yeah. Here tattva means tasya bhavaha tattva. Not tad is sarvanama shabda.
Right. So tattvadarshina is one word. And jnaninas tattvadarshinaha, yeah, jnaninaha So Visarga becomes Sakara.
Yeah.
Because of Khar letter and Sakara becomes
Yes.
Sakara here. And Upadekshanti te Jnanam. So here Jnanam, so it becomes Anuswara because followed by Jna. And Upadekshanti is one word. Te is also one word. No sandhi.
Just a quick recap of the sandhi or the rules. You can remember the rules, what we are going to apply in sequence. The first one is the Kutva number 1. Chavarga letter at the end of the Padam are followed by Jal will be replaced by Kutva. So if you see a Pratipadikam beginning with Chavarga letter, then this Vidhi will apply. So starting from Kutvam. So Kutva comes first. Some more rules will be added, but now this is the Prakriya, this is the order of the application of the rules. So Kutvam. Then there is an exception to Kutvam, Shatvam. That is Shatvam number 1. This is specifically for some dhatus which end with the Chavarga letter, for which we don't apply Kutvam. That is why it is exception, partial exception. So these dhatus and the dhatus ending with Chakara and Shakara. So if you see any Pratipadikam and dhatu ending with Chakara, Shakara, remember this rule, Shatvam number 1. This is number 1, Shatvam. After this, in the sequence, Jashtra Sandhi number 1. So Kutvam number 1, Shatvam number 1, Jashtra Sandhi number 1. In between this, we are going to add some more rules. Slowly, you'll see that. Then after this, Kuttam number 2. This is very specifically for some words only. Kuttam number 2. Then Anuswara Sandhi. Anuswara Sandhi number 1. Padanta Makara will be replaced by Anuswara. That is number 1. Anuswara Sandhi number 2 is Padanta Makara or Nakara will be replaced by Anuswara if it is followed by Jal. That is number 2. This is Anuswara Sandhi number 1. Anuswara Sandhi number 2. If you see the rules, they are in the 3rd chapter, 8.3, 3rd chapter, 3rd section of the 8th chapter, 3rd section, 8.3. Other rules, preceding rules we have seen, it is in the 2nd section of the 80 chapters, up to Kuttam number 2. After Anuswara Sandhi, then Yamutagama Sandhi, then Shatvam comes, Shatvam number 2. Shatvam is very specifically for a Padanta Sakara. The Sakara may be belonging to a Pratyaya or Adesha, and that will be, Sakara will be replaced by Shakara. This is Shatvam number 2. After Shatvam, then Shutva, Shtutva and all is there. Even if you want, we can add Natvam after this, but I have not added. You can add Natvam. That also comes in between. Then Shtutvam, Shtutvam, and after that we know. Then Jashtra Vidhi number 2, Chartva Vidhi and all. This is the order. So you need to get used to the application of the rules in this order. So here, the shloka is saying that Anuswara Sandhi. So that's why I said this, Anuswara Sandhi. So when Anuswara is there, Anuswara undergoes some changes. It is only for these. When Anuswara is there, Anuswara or Makara undergoes changes. Then you need to remember this rule. Anuswara Sandhi number 1, Anuswara Sandhi number 2. This rule must come to your mind. Whether Anuswara Sandhi number 1 applicable? Yes, it is applicable when it is Padanta Makara. If it is Apadanta Makara Nakara, then
Jal is to be followed by Jal.
Anuswara Sandhi number 2. And connected with this, do you remember any other rule which follows what the change will happen to Anuswara?
A letter. Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
So this, you need to remember these three together. Anuswara Sandhi number 1. That is when Anuswara is born. Anuswara is born through these two rules. One of the two rules. Either by number 1 or number 2. Once Anuswara is born, that Anuswara, if it is born because of this rule number 2, or whatever may be rule number 1, it is Anuswara is born, then
Otherwise, Parasavarna.
then go to the rule yes. Where is that? It comes like, yeah, here.
58.
Anuswara will be replaced by 42.
8450.
Yeah, 42 and 43. If it is a Padanta Anuswara, then the replacement of the Savarna is optional. If it is a Padanta Anuswara. If it is not Padanta Anuswara, then there is no optionality, you have to apply. So if it is Anuswara Sandhi number 2, then it is must. So you have to apply. So there is no choice. But if it is Anuswara Sandhi, Anuswara born of rule number 1, that is Padanta Anuswara, then 43, it is optional. That's how it's connected. If you're applying Anuswara Sandhi number 1, then 43, that is replacement of Anuswara. The following is optional. If it's Anuswara Sandhi number 2, then replacement of Anuswara by the following A letter is optional. So these 4 rules you have to remember together. Anuswara Sandhi number 1, Anuswara Sandhi number 2, then Parasavarna Sandhi. This is the order. So all these, the order, you should be slowly getting used to, familiar with this, so that you don't miss any rule in between. Then only you will get the desired form. Okay, now we are going to see some more today. So this abhyasa, you need to do some abhyasa to get this order. Okay, the next person after Ganesh ji.
I think it's me.
Yeah, please.
Yajñātvā nu punarmoham evam yasyasi pandava yena bhutanya sheshani adrakshyasyatman yato mayi. So yasyasi pandava, I think no sandhi is there. Punaha moham evam. Hello?
Yes, I'm hearing.
Okay. Evam, that is pada monuswara sandhi. Then moham plus evam melanam. This punaha, it becomes, that is avyarepa, doesn't undergo change. Therefore, no visarga there actually. We can avoid that visarga. Then yajñātvā, that can be written as yat plus ñātvā. Jashtva sandhi 1, it becomes padanta cha, so jal, so yat becomes yad. Then by rule 2 we can't apply now. So dakara becomes jakara, applying shutva sandhi, yaj plus ñātvā.
Yes, good. So
Then,
Jashtva and Shtutva. Yes, after applying Jashtva Sandhi number 1, if Shtutva is applicable, the following letter is, or the letter which is in contact, if it is Shakara or Chavarga, then Shtutva Sandhi comes. So Jashtva Sandhi will not be applicable, it comes later. Good, okay, this also you can remember. So it depends on what follows, what is in contact with. The Jash letter, which is born to what it has contact with. Depending on that, it undergoes changes. So Jashta Vidhi 2 will not be applicable. Before that, Chutta is applied. Yes.
Sharanji, Anunasika Sandhi cannot be applied here
Where?
because Nya is an Anunasika.
Where is Nya?
Nyatva.
Nyatva is the first letter is Jakara. Jakara plus Nyakara. Not the other way.
Right, okay.
If it is other way, then it is written as it is, like Pancha and all.
Right, it starts with J, not Nya.
Not with, yeah, yes. Continue, Kameshwari.
Then applying Jashtva 2, it is same Yajñatva. Then second line.
Plain, what did you say?
No, first we apply Shutvam, so Dakara becomes Jakara, so Yaj plus Nyatva.
Okay.
Then we can apply
Yes.
nothing, no change. Jashtva 2 we can apply, so it is Yajñatva. That's all. There will be no change.
Okay.
Just we are applying according to the rules,
right.
numbers. Then second line, Mayi no Sandhi. Then Drakshasyant Manyat. Here, Drakshasi Atmani Ayo.
There is no Ayo. Where is Ayo?
Yayo is there, no? Atmani plus Ayo.
Not Yayo, it is
Atman Yayo.
Yatho.
Atman Yatho. Okay. Atman Yatho. So, Atmani plus Atho. First, Atmani plus, no, Drakshyasi plus Atmani, there, Yan Sandhi. Again, here also, Atmani plus Atho also, Yan Sandhi. That is Ikara plus Akara. Yakara will be born. Yakara, E is replaced by Yakara, Yan Sandhi. Then, Yena Bhutani, Yena Bhutan. So it is Yena Bhutani Asheshan. Here also Yan Sandhi. Bhutani Asheshan. There Yan Sandhi.
Okay, next person. Lataji, you can do number 36.
Api chedasi papebhyah sarvebhyah papakrittamah sarvam jnana plavenaiva vrujinam santarishyasi. Now here papakrittamah, it's a what is that? We'll design the visarga because it's the end of the padam, end of the sentence. Sarvebhyah papakrittamah, that's visarga followed by pakara, which is upatmaniyam. Sarvebhyah papakrittamah, and papebhyah sarvebhyah, we keep the visarga because it's followed by sakara. Api chedasi, there is no sandhi there. Api
Chedasi.
chedasi. Api chit asi.
Not chit.
Chet plus asi. Chedasi. And that is the Jashta Vidhi. We are applying the Chet plus asi, Jashta Vidhi, number 1, Chedasi. And then Santarishyasi, I think it's just one word. Vrujinam,
Santarishyasi. Sam plus tarishyasi.
Sam plus tarishyasi.
Sam upasarga plus tarishyasi kriyapadam. Future tense. Drat lakara. Sam plus tarishyasi.
Sam plus tarishyasi. Okay. Vrujinam, that's
No,
known as
Sam plus tarishyasi sandhi is there.
Sam plus tarishyasi. That's the this Anunasika Sandhi pada that Apadanta, what is that?
Padanta makara.
Padanta makara becomes, Padanta makara will be replaced by Anuf. Well, wait a second, let me Santa Rishyasi. Santa followed by Jal. Santa.
Not required. Padanta makara will be replaced by anuswara.
Anuswara. And then we go to the this Parasavarna Sandhi. Anuswara will be replaced by Savarna of the following EI.
Yes. So therefore,
Rujinam.
we can write it as Nakara,
Uh-huh.
Santarishyasi.
So even if we write it with the Makara, it will be correct. Samtarishyasi.
Not Makara, Anuswara will be there.
Anuswara. Vadanta Anuswara replacement by the Savarna of the following A is optional.
So Santarishyasi with Nakara, it's fine. Or some with the
Tarish.
Bindu, with Anuswara also it can be written. Santarishyasi.
Okay.
Because it is optional. Therefore it is fine.
Vrujinam, that's Monuswara. Jnana Plavena Eva. Jnana Plavena Eva. That's Vruddhi Plavena Eva. Vruddhi Sandhi there. Sarvam, that's again is Monuswara.
Okay. I think you can proceed further. 2 shlokas enough today. Then the next person, Sundarji, you can read. I think, did we read this last class?
No, we have to start with this only.
Start from here.
Sundarji, you can read.
Yes. A plus Gatva. Agatya. Yap pratyaya. Then A plus
Okay.
Nitva.
A plus Gatva. A plus, what is the dhatu?
Gam.
Gam dhatu. Plus Tva pratyaya. What will be the form? Gam plus
A
Tva.
plus Gam plus Lyap.
No, that's okay. I'm just asking Gam plus
Gam
Tva.
plus Lyap.
Gam plus Tva will be. I'm asking Gam plus Tva, what will be the form?
Gam plus Tva is Gatva.
Gatva. That's what I asked. Gam plus Tva is Gatva. Now Upasarga comes. Upasarga, therefore,
Yeah.
Tva will be replaced by
Lyap.
Lyap. Okay. If Tva is replaced by Lyap, how do you get the Takara in between? Takara is, you see Takara there? Takara
Yes.
comes.
Yeah.
So now you can see.
Yeah.
Gam plus Tva will become Gatva. Meaning is having gone or after gone. That's the meaning. Gam plus Tva, Gatva. So Tva is Ardhadhataka Pratyaya, Tva. So Gatva. Now with Upasarga, if Upasarga is there, then Tva will be replaced by Lyap. You get A plus Gam plus, this is Gam. A plus Gam plus Lyap. Now this A plus Gam plus Lyap. A plus Gam plus Lyap. What happens to this? You can see, just introducing a new rule. I think this file I sent you before. Miscellaneous rules, and some rules I said we will see that later in this rules. We have seen this first 2 rules. Can you all see the screen? Miscellaneous rules.
Yes, sure.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Number 1 we know. It's called Kutta number 1.
Yes.
Number 2 is
Shatvam
exception
one.
to Shatvam
Yeah.
number 1. Number 3 we have not seen. Number 3, which we have not seen. So now we can see that. Anunasika anta. Anunasika anta of Anudata Upadesha Dhatus. Anunasika anta of Anudata Upadesha Dhatus. Don't worry about Anudata and all. Okay. So, in the Dhatu Pata, Upadesha means that which were told, which were given, which were instructed by the Purva Acharya. That is called Upadesha. So, Upadesha Dhatu means Dhatus in the Dhatu Pata. Upadeshika Dhatu. That is in your Dhatu Kosha. In your Dhatu Kosha, you have to see the column number 1. I sent you the Dhatu Kosha. You can see that column number 1. Upadeshika Dhatus. Dhatus which were given, which were instructed by the Pani Maharishi. And in that Dhatu, if it is the Swara of the Dhatu is Anudata. Dhatu Pata also has got Swara, like Vedic mantra. It was also chanted. It was chanted, but now we have lost the chanting method. So it's not chanted now. So, but it is mentioned, Anudata, Udata, and all you can see in the Dhatu. So, Aupadeshika Dhatus having Anudata, Swara, and what Anudata Upadesha Dhatu, Anunasika Anta, that is Dhatu ending with Anunasika letter. Dhatu ending with Anunasika letter, which are Anudata Dhatus, Anudata Upadesha Dhatus. So, Anunasika Anta Anudata Upadesha Dhatus, number 1. Number 2, one Dhatu, specifically the Dhatu 1. One also Dhatu ending with Nakara. Nakara is Anunasika. So, one Dhatu. And the Dhatus belonging to the 8th Gana. In 8th Gana, you will see the Anunasika Anta Dhatus. We will see examples and all later. So, what will happen to the Anunasika? Anunasika Anta of Anudata Upadesha Dhatu, one Dhatu, and the Dhatus belonging to the 8th Gana will drop. When does it drop? When followed by Kit Pratyaya. When followed by Kit Pratyaya or Nit Pratyaya. So when followed by Kit or Nit Pratyaya, it means the Pratyaya having Kakara or Nakara as the ith letter. That's called Kit Pratyaya, Nit Pratyaya. And the Pratyaya should begin with Jal. The Pratyaya beginning with Jal, which is a Kit or a Nit, then the Anunasika will drop. Anunasika will drop. So that's a rule. This is in 6.3. Don't worry, this is not in Tripadi. This is in 6.3.37. So now, if you see here in this example, A plus Gam plus Lyap. A plus Gam, even you can read the first one. Gam Dhatu, Tva Pratyaya. Tva, the Pratyaya beginning with what letter?
Takara.
What letter?
Kaka.
That's okay. Just now
Yeah.
the rule I said, beginning with what letter?
Jal.
Jal letter. That's what Jal letter. That's the rule we saw now. Anunasika Anta of Anudata Upadesha Dhatu and one Dhatu and the 8th Gana Dhatu, followed by the Jal Pratyaya, which is a Kit or Nit. So Jal letter. Takara is fine, but you have to say it is a Jal. So Pratyaya beginning with Jal letter. And is it a Kit or not? Is it a Kit? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Because Anubandha letter Kakara is there. We don't have removed it, but we know it is there. So, Gam Dhatu, that is Anunasika Anta, followed by the Jaladi Pratyaya, Jal Adi Pratyaya. Pratyaya beginning with the Jal and which is a kit. Therefore, what will happen to this?
Kara will be
It
dropped.
will drop, yeah.
Drop. Therefore, ga plus twa, you get gatva. Similarly, nam plus twa, what will happen?
Natva.
Natva.
Tattva.
Natva jnana pradam gurum. You have seen some others. Okay, now,
Tattva bodha.
yeah, tattva bodha. Gam plus tum. Tuman pratyaya. Now, Sundarji, what will happen? Sundarji.
This Gantum.
Yeah, gantum. Why makara is not dropped?
Why?
Anunasika followed by
Why?
jal letter, which is tu takara. Why it is not
But it's
dropped?
not a kit.
Not a
Not
krit,
kit
but
It is
pratyaya.
not it.
Therefore, doesn't drop. That is why in this sheet, what I sent you, this miscellaneous rule, there you see it has the Vyatireka Udaharan, counter example. Gam plus tum. What will happen? Gam. What makara is this?
Apadanta.
Padanta makara.
Apatanta.
Followed by
Followed by. It is followed by jal letter.
Jal
but
letter.
It's not a kit
Padant.
pratyaya.
Yeah. That's okay. What did you say? Jal letter?
But
Followed.
not a kit pratyaya.
That's okay. Not a kit, therefore it is not going to drop. Makara is not going to drop. So apadanta makara followed by jal. What will happen?
it keeps the makara. That
That
makara
is
becomes
Makara becomes
Anuswara.
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 Anuswara sandhi number 2.
One.
Two.
Just now we saw. Apadanta makara nakara followed by jal will be replaced by anuswara. It's a must. Apadanta makara, therefore you have to apply. There's no choice. Apply. Anuswara sandhi number 2. So therefore you get gum plus tum. After this, what will happen?
Then Parasavarna Santi.
Parasavarna.
Anuswara will be replaced by
By-
Parasavana.
Savarna.
That is a must.
So, yai letter.
So Anuswara Sandhi number 2 also must, and Parasavana Sandhi also must. Therefore, you get the form Gantum. Right? So for this, now we can write the example. Gum plus twa. You get Gatwa. Gum plus yep with Upasarga. What do you get? A plus gum plus lep will become A plus
Agatya.
A plus ga plus ya only. We have not seen how takara has come. That yet to be seen. Makara is dropped only. But how takara came? That we have to see.
Tukagama.
Yes, tukara.
Gama. Yeah.
So that we will see. That also I will tell you that one small rule. So now applying this rule, that is Anasika, Anta, followed by Jaladi. Here, Lyap is there. Lyap. Lyap Pratyaya. A plus Gam plus. Yeah. We have got the form Agamya. Agamya also correct only. A plus gum plus here. Agamya also correct. But one more form is there, Agamya. You can note that. Agamya also correct. Okay. But now we have the form, the book what is given, Agatya. That we will see. So it is Agamya 1. Now, will this makara, will it drop or not? A plus gum plus lep. Will this makara be dropped or not?
Yes.
Shouldn't,
Because it replaces twa.
Yakara is not a gel letter.
Very good. Yakara is not a gel letter. So how then makara will drop? You can say yakara is a kit, you can say, because Lyap has come in the place of twa pratyaya, right? So
Yeah.
first it's twa only and then only lyap. So fine, this is a kit you can say, but the pratyaya begin with yakara. Yakara is not a jal. Therefore, you cannot apply the rule that Anunasikanta of the Anudhatu, Upadesha Dhatu, Vandhatu, and the Ektigana Dhatu will drop when followed by Jaladi Pratyaya, which is a Kit Tarangit. But this is not a Jal. Therefore, what we do is there is a rule immediately after this. Immediately after this, one more rule is there. That is this number 3, where Anunasika is dropped. So we can make this as 3A, making it as 3A, because when we got one more, this B, where specifically it says when lyap follows. When lyap follows, it is dropped. When lyap follows, then Anunasika is dropped. Anunasika of whatever mentioned above, I'm not rewriting that. You can bring it the same. Anunasika, Anta of Anudhatu, Upadesha Dhatu, Vandhatu, the Dhatu belong to Ektigana. Anunasika, dropping of Anunasika will be there. Just making like that. When lyap follows, dropping of Anunasika happens. Okay. So therefore, A plus gum plus lyap, this is not applicable here. So you have to bring it here. A plus gum plus lyap. Here, lyap follows. Therefore, this makara is dropped. You get A plus ga plus ya.
Jay,
Right?
this rule is 6-4-37, right?
6-4-38.
37.
6-4-37. 37,
Yeah.
6-4-34. Okay, we're saying 4. Yes.
Yeah, 6-4-37. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Let me take out the 3, 6-4. So this is 6-4-38. 6-4-38. All these are in the Anga Dikara. Anga Dikara is in 6-4. So changes happening to Anga you will find in 6-4. Okay. So now A plus Ga plus Yap. Now Gakara is, the Makara is dropped. Now after this what happens? After this what happens? One more rule is there. That is, now this Lyap Pratyaya, which is a pit, and also it is a Krit Pratyaya. It's a Krit and it's a pit. Lyap is a Krit or not? Lyap Pratyaya.
Yes, Jay. Yeah.
Yes,
Yes, it is a
yes.
crit.
It's a Krit Pratyaya.
Yeah.
Lyap. Twa is Krit Pratyaya.
Twa is Krit.
It is replaced by Lyap. Therefore, it's a Krit. It's a Krit as well as it's a pit. Because Pakara is Ith letter, therefore pit. So when a Krit pit Pratyaya follows the short vowel. Follows the short vowel. What is the short vowel? A is here.
Akara.
Then the short vowel take tuk agama. So it becomes A plus tuk agama. The content is
Takara.
Dakara, tuk agama plus, yeah, the content of tuk is A. So you get A, gat, yeah, this is a form you get. So here, this rule you need to know. Maybe I will write it here. Just a minute. Okay. So in this rule, I will write it in the tuk agama sandhi, in the sandhi chart. The sandhi chart, what you see here. So here I will write, I will add one more column here. I will write the rule, you will understand. This is one more Tukagama. So Tukagama Sandhi number 1 and the 2, and let me write it as change the name numbers now. So Tukagama, when does it happen? That is Rasva Ach. Rasva Ach will take Tuk Agama when followed by Krit Pratyaya, which is a Pit. When followed by Krit Pratyaya, which is a Pit. This is the rule. So Tukagama Sandhi number 1. Rasva Ach will take Tuk Agama when it is followed by a Krit Pratyaya, and it will follow by Krit Pratyaya, which is a Pit. So Krit Pratyaya here in this context, Lyap Pratyaya follows. Lyap Pratyaya is a Krit Pratyaya, and Pakara also is their ith letter, which is a Pit. Therefore, Rasva Ach will take Tukagama. A plus Ga, the Ga, that is A, will take Tukagama. I'm writing the rule for my reference. Rasvasya Kriti Piti Tuk. This is in the same section. All these rules you will find in the same section. 6171. Okay, so this one more rule you need to know. Rasva Ach will take Tukagama when followed by a Krit Pratyaya, which is a Pit. So Krit Pit, when it is there, only Lyap will come. Remember the Lyap Pratyaya. Lyap is the only Pratyaya as of now. Because the other Pratyayas are there, which we have to see, like Kvip and all. So Lyap is the only Pratyaya, which is a Krit as well as a Pit. So therefore Tukagama comes. So Tukagama, you can see in 3 places it happens. 2 places already we have seen in the Sandhi context. And one more new, what we are seeing today. So let us see all the rules Tukagama related. That is Tukagama's, just saying the Sandhi number. Tukagama, it's not a Sandhi. Tukagama Vidhi. Because Sandhi comes later. There is Tukagama Vidhi. So Rasva Ach will take Tukagama. Ach will take Tukagama. Short vowel will take Tukagama when followed by the Krit Pit Pratyaya. That is number 1. Then number 2, Tukagama Sandhi. Here it comes in Sandhi context. Tukagama Sandhi number 2. Rasva Ach will when followed by Chakara, specifically Chakara, then it will take Tukagama. This we have seen in Sandhi context. Then Tukagama Sandhi number 3, where Padanta Dirgha Ach, when followed with Chakara, will take Tukagama. Here Rasva Ach, it need not be a Padanta, but when it is Dirgha Ach, it will be a Padanta. And if it is followed with Chakara, Chakara is Nimita, then it will take Tukagama. These are the 3 Tukagama related rules. Okay, now here, how we get Agatya, if you see, applying all the rules, A plus Gam plus Lyap. So here, Makara is dropped. Makara is dropped by the Anunasika Anta of Anunasik, Anudata, Upadesha Dhatu, Vandhatu, and the 8th Gana Dhatu when followed by Jaladi, Kit Pratyaya. In that second option is there, when followed by Lyap Pratyaya, it is dropped. By that, Makara is dropped. That is number 1, first step. Now, after dropping the Makara, now this Rasva Ach followed by Krit and Pit it gets Tukkagama, so you get Agatya. This is how you get Agatya. Okay. Can you all follow?
Yes,
Yes,
Sharan.
Sharanji.
Yes, Sharanji.
Yes, Sharan.
This miscellaneous rule I will send you. I have, for time being, I have made the miscellaneous. More rules will be added here. So you can see here. This is number 3. Now you have learned this rule. I think this rule I have not taught you before. Did I teach you this one? The last previous
No.
classes? No.
Oh, sure.
Okay. So we can
Yeah,
note this rule. This is a new rule which we need to note. Yeah.
one question. You said agamya is also correct form. So is it applied optionally or what?
Yes, optionally. This is when yep follows dropping of pranasika happens optionally. That is why it is we have got that form. This happens optionally. That is why you have got one more form. When it is not applied, you will get agamya. When it is applied, you get agatya. So, yes, good question. So, if you don't apply, you get agamya. In the form agamya. Okay. So let us see the rule again. Anunasika anta of anudata upadesha dhatus, one dhatu, and the dhatu belong to the gana. That anunasika will drop. I think that I should rephrase it. Anunasika anta will drop. Anunasika will drop, not anta. Anta means ending. That is the dhatus ending with anunasika. Okay. So anunasika is dropped. When followed by a kit or ngit pratyaya beginning with jal. To that we have an extension. If it is followed by yap pratyaya, then the dropping of anunasika is optional. So applying that, we get the form agamya, agatya. And here tukkagama comes. One more addition, tukkagama comes. If it is followed by a krit pit pratyaya, then tukkagama will be added to the rasva ach. So you get agatya. Okay. So this rule also you can know. Then continuing. All these will be useful later when we see other topics. We'll be repeating this rule. If you have any difficulty in remembering this now, don't worry. We're going to see this again and again in other context. Okay. Sundarji, please continue.
Yeah. A plus
Okay, before you understand, Sundarji?
Yes, I understood.
You have to take some time to remember, recollect all the rules. You need to do some abhyasa. We are going to see some more examples will come. You will see that.
This is the same as Adhigamya also, no? Last time you referred.
Very good. Yes. Gam is yes.
Maheshwara.
Enaksharam Adhigamya Maheshwarat. Yes. Adi plus Gam plus yep. Adhigamya. Adhigatya. That also correct only. Yes. Continue. The second one you can read. A plus Ni.
Second one. A plus Nitva Aniya.
Here what happens? Aniya. Why it is not, you don't see Tukkagama?
Because I think it is relevant to Rasva alone. No?
Yeah, it is Rasva Acha alone. It is Ni is Dirgha. So therefore you don't get Tukkagama. Right?
Yeah.
You don't see Tukkagama here. Aniya only. Okay. Continue.
Pari plus Shilayitva. Parishilaya.
Parishilya. Parishilya.
Okay.
Okay. Here also one more rule I teach you. Don't worry. I'm hesitate to teach more and more rules, but will be useful if you know one, then the same thing can be applied for other. Okay. Parishilaya, the 10th gana, and also the Nijanta forms, you will find this. So, Pari plus, let me do this also. Pari plus Parishila Itva. Okay. Shili, then Shili plus Tva. Okay, the dhatu is Shili. Pari plus Shili plus Tva. Now, Tva will be replaced by, because Pari Upasarga is there, therefore Tva will be replaced by
Yep.
Lep.
Yep.
Lep will come. The content of Lep is
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, let me say one more here. Kad plus Tva, what do you get?
Aditva.
Kaditva. It takes what agama?
Itagama.
Why itagama comes?
Valadi
Valadi
Valadi,
Adhatuka Pratyaya.
Pratyaya.
The dhatu must be a said dhatu. Anyway, that doesn't matter now. Valadi Adhatuka Pratyaya will take itagama. Here, Takara, which is a val. What are the val letters?
All the consonants except yakara.
The consonants
Very good.
except
Yes.
yak.
Yakara. So kad plus itva, you get kaditva. So you get kaditva. Right? So don't forget to apply this itagama. Itagama to be applied. If it doesn't take, that is a different thing. So adhatuka pratyaya, when you add, itagama must come. So tva, tumun and all. Here also, a plus gam plus ya. Why we have not applied itagama here? Agamya.
Because yeah, it's
Not
not
a
Valadi.
Valadi.
Not a
Yeah,
Valadi.
it's not
Therefore,
Valadi.
we don't. Therefore, itagama will not come. Okay. So pari plus shili plus lyap here. Pari plus shili plus ya. Does it have a itagama? Yeah.
No.
No.
If anit follows, anit. What is anit? Na it anit. Na it anit. That which is not a it. That is that what follows is not a, doesn't have itagama.
Yeah.
If anit follows,
E is dropped.
E is dropped.
the E
E
of
is dropped.
ni.
She. Yeah.
The
Ni.
E
Yeah.
of nich.
That.
Actually, this is Shili, the 10th gana.
Nijanta.
Nijanta. So
Nijanta.
here that ni is there. That E of lakara, what you see here, it is because of this ni, nich, nijanta. That ni is dropped. It means E is dropped. So what you will have? Pari plus Sheel.
Sheel. Yeah.
Sheel only you will have. Pari plus Sheel plus. Yeah, you get Pari
Parisheel, yeah.
Sheel here. This is what happens here. So the form will be Parishilya. Similarly, I'll give another example, simple example. Pat dhatu. Pat dhatu, what will be the causative form? Pat plus nich?
Part.
Partayat.
Part.
No, only causative form. Only the dhatu, new dhatu.
Party.
Party.
Party. Yeah.
Pat plus nich becomes party. Upada, rasva upada will take vriddhi, becomes dir.
Yeah. Yeah.
Part plus E. Here, that E, what you see, it belongs to nich. Nijanta.
Nich. Yeah.
So, party plus tva. with pra upasarga. Now, what will happen? Pra plus party plus twa will be replaced by lyap. When upasarga is there, twa must be replaced by lyap. The content of lyap is yeah.
Yeah.
It is not valadi, therefore it won't take it. Therefore, what will happen?
E will be dropped.
E will be dropped.
Prapatya.
Yeah. Prapatya.
Very
Prapatya.
good. Prapatya.
Prapatya.
This is how it happens everywhere. So we can remember this also. I'm not capturing this rule separately. Just know if anit follows, ni is dropped. There's some few rules like this. If you remember, it will be easy to know you can see the form and see how it is derived. So pari plus shilagitva becomes parishilya. Is it clear, Sundarji?
Yes.
Continue. The next one,
Clear.
number 4.
Number 4. Sam plus krutva.
Yes. Sam upasarga. Yeah. Samhritya.
Samhritya.
How do you get tukagama? Just now we saw what is hru. Hru is
hrasva ach.
Very good. Hrasva ach. Followed by krit pratyaya.
Followed by
Krit, and which is a pit. Kriti piti. You can say kriti piti. Kriti piti. Krit follows, therefore kriti. And it is a pit, therefore piti. Kriti piti pare. Rasvasya. Rasvasya means rasva means achu only. It cannot be vowel. Rasvasya. Tuk agamaha bhavati. Kriti piti pare. Rasvasya stane. Tuk agamaha. So sam plus hr, like gum, same way also. Gum makara is dropped. Here nothing is there to drop. Hr plus lyap. Hr will get tukkagama. So ha hritya. Okay. Next person. After Sundarji. Ramaji. Number 5.
Yeah. Pra plus natva pranamya.
You can tell how it is, how does it come?
Natvam.
But nattam happens, not this.
Yeah.
What is the nimitta for causing the nattam?
Natvam. Refa shakara. That one.
Yes. Repa is here. Pakara plus repa.
Makara. Yeah.
What are the condition for nattam to happen? You can tell. Yes.
Apadanta nakara, when immediately preceded by refa or shakara or rikara, in the same padam will be replaced by murdanya nakara.
Or
intervened by at kupu. That one.
Okay. Then also nattam happens. Okay.
Yeah.
So nattam happens. Then after that,
Then
pra plus nam plus twa.
nam plus twa. Yeah. Pranam. Yeah.
Now what happened to nakara? Makara then? Nam dhatu. Dhatu is nam dhatu.
Yeah. Nam is retained. Nam because
Makara. Makara, what happened to makara of nam dhatu? Pra plus nam plus twa. Pra plus nam plus lyap.
Oh, okay. Tukara, Tukagama has.
Tukagama comes later, but before that, what happened to makara only I'm asking. Okay. What happens to makara? Same way here. A plus gum plus lyap we saw. Here it is pra plus instead of gum, nam plus lyap. What happens to makara here?
It is dropped.
Yeah, dropped by Anunasika
Anunasika. Yeah, correct. That
Anudata Upadesha Dhatu, one Dhatu, and Dhatu belonging to Itigana will be dropped, followed by
Jal.
followed by the jal pratyaya, which is a kit or a pit, or if it is a yep also, it is drop, like we saw.
Yeah, correct.
So a plus na plus ya. After that, what will happen? Not a. That's
Then
okay.
after that only
Pra plus na.
Tukagama.
Yeah, after that, tukagama will come.
Yeah.
Becomes
So it becomes gat, a plus nat plus ya. Nat, pranatva.
okay.
Sorry.
Let's not. This is replacement of makara is optional, also, right?
Mm.
So in this example, you don't see it is dropping. So you get pra, that nam.
Nam plus ya.
You get pranamya. Dropping of makara is optional. Therefore, it is not dropped. You don't see the makara dropping here in the example. Pra plus nam plus ya. Right?
Mm.
So val yapi, so dropping also is possible. If it is dropped, you get pranatya.
Pranatya.
I think pranatya form also is valid only. By applying this rule, we get the form pranatya. So I think it should be okay. So pranamya, pranatya. Pranamya shirasa devam. Gauri putram vinayakam. So pranamya, having saluted. That's the meaning. Okay, continuing. Please do.
Yeah. Then nira plus kritva nirakritya.
Yes, nirakritya.
Left from nirakritya.
So kru will get?
Kru will get tugagama.
Tukagama. When does it get tukagama?
Hresva akara. R is hresva akara. Sorry, hresva acha. Yeah. So lyap is krit pit pratyaya. So
yes.
Yeah.
Continue.
Then sam plus grihitva. Sangrihitva. Here
there is no word sangrihitva. Please note.
Sorry, sangrihya. Sangrihya. Sorry, lyap.
So
Sangrihya. Here parasavarna.
Yeah, that can be applied. Parasavarna. Sam plus grh. Parasavarna is optional. So sangrh. Then grh. That grihi. That e is goes away. E goes away. Okay. Sangrihya. No, actually it is because of some other. Okay. Sangrihya. The e dropped. So you get sangrihya.
Sangrihya.
Okay. Grh dhatu is, in fact, you have got e is there because especially this one e. That eat something is there. It's okay. Sangrihya. That e is dropped. That's all.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because lyapa, that is anit.
You can say no. It's fine. No problem. Yeah. Sangrihya. Yes.
Yeah.
Then
Abhi plus nanditva. Abhinandya.
Abhinandya. That's all.
Abhinandya. Yeah.
Abhinandya. Nandi, that nanditva. In nanditva, nandi, that e is because of
Itagama.
Itagama. Tva nanditva. Similarly, grihitva also, that e is because of the itagama.
Okay.
But when you add some plus grh plus ya, itagama will not come. Therefore, e doesn't go away. Okay, you said e goes away, e doesn't go away because it itself is not there to go.
Oh, correct.
In Nijanta, ni is there. But what about here? Some plus grh dhatu plus lyap only.
Yeah.
Not take to itagama. So some plus grh plus ya will become sangrihya.
Sangrihya. Yes.
May I ask why it is e, generally e, that short e, that is specially for this dhatu, gets eat. Okay. That's what I said that we can accept as it is now. It's sangrihitva. I mean, the grihitva, sangrihya. Okay. Then continue. Next person, sorry. Sumati ji.
Anu plus bhutva. Is it anubhuya?
Good, simple. Anubhuya.
Yeah.
Why it doesn't take itagama? Sorry, tukagama.
Because it is dirgha.
Dirgha, therefore, no tukagama. Why doesn't take itagama?
it's not a Valadi.
Valadi, good. It's
Valadi.
a Valadi, yes.
Yeah.
It's not
So
a
many
Valadi.
rules we have to think and
Yes.
see. Yeah.
You need to remember two things.
Yeah.
If it is
Yeah.
Valadi, it will take Itagama. If it is a non-Valadi, no Itagama.
No Itagama.
Then if it is a Lyap Pratyaya, it's a Krit and Pit. Then if it is a short Aj, it's Tukagama. So two Agamas you need to know. Valadi will take Itagama and Rasva Aj followed by Lyap will take Tukagama.
Tukagama.
These two rules only you have to apply. And one more thing is when Anit follows, the Nijanta, the Ni
He is dropped.
dropped. These three rules, if you remember, Lyap is more or less is done. Okay. Continue.
Then Pari plus Tektva. Paritejya.
Parityajya. Dhatu is Tyaj Dhatu. Yes.
Tej Dhatu. So it is Paritejya.
How you get Parityaktva? I mean, how you get Tyaktva, the word Tyaktva?
That Kutva Sandhi.
Very good. Tyaj plus.
Yeah. Tej plus, yeah. Twa is Kutva. You need to apply the Kutva Sandhi one.
Kutva Sandhi. Okay. Then continue.
Then A plus Hutva. Here it will be Ha Utya.
Ahutya.
Uya. I'm sorry. Ahuya.
Ahuya.
Uya.
So
Yeah.
we can read this like this: A plus Hu plus Twa.
Twa. Okay.
Then we will not do the mistake. Twa.
Yeah.
The takara belongs to Twa pratyaya.
Yeah,
not
yeah,
the
yeah.
Tukagama. Ahuya. Continue.
Then pra plus shalayitva. So it will be pra plus shalayi plus twa. So it will become prashalya. Prashalaya.
Shalayi. Okay. Not. You can say pra plus kshali plus Twa.
Pra plus shali plus, now then you need to apply pra plus shali plus yap. From there you get yakara. Yeah. So it will become E is dropped there.
Yes. Yes.
So it will be prashalya.
Prakshalya.
Prakshalya. Prakshalya.
And the kshal dhatu, 10th gana. So you get kshali, it's a dhatu. Kshal plus nich, you get kshali. And becomes kshalayati, kshalayataha, ksalayanti. So kshalayitva is there. Kshalayi, when you see ksalayi, you should know the dhatu is kshali. Nijanta dhatu, kshali. Nijanta means it's 10th gana. Okay, it's not a.
Yeah.
It could be a Preranataka niche also, but 10th gana because Swarte niche, kshali. Pra plus kshali plus lyap. Prakshalya. That ni is dropped. Next person. Krishnanji, number 13.
Sam plus aptva. Samapya.
Yes. Ap dhatu. Ap dhatu, 5th gana. Okay. We'll see 5th gana. Ap plus twa. Aptva. Nothing happens, just melanam.
Nothing happens. Melanam, yeah.
Samapya. Okay. Then
Pra plus aptva. Prapya.
Prapya. Okay.
15 A plus Krishtva. Krishtatu. So
Yes.
Akrishya.
Akrishya. Here what happens? Krishtva. Krish plus twa.
Shakara becomes the Mudana Shakara happens, and then Shtutva Sandhi happens.
Takara becomes takara. Mudan is this shtutva sandhi. Yes. Okay.
16th Sam plus Dishtva. Is it Dish Dhatu?
Dish dhatu. Yes. The last class also we saw.
Oh yeah.
Remember Dish dhatu. It becomes
Yeah,
Murdani
correct.
shakara.
Yeah,
Why it becomes Murdani shakara?
Because of that first rule, Varscha, Brascha, Padanta.
Yes. Good. Padanta shakara. Not Padanta shakara. Shakara followed by jal.
Jal, yeah.
Will be replaced by.
Mudanya Shakara.
So this sum plus dish talavi shakara. Sum plus dish plus twa. Okay, let me write it. But apply that rule. The dhatu is not murdan. Dhatu is not with the murdanya. Dhatu is with Dantya only. Let me do that. Dish plus Tva Pratyaya. What do you get? First you have to apply the exception to Kuttam, that is Shattum number 1. Can we apply Shattum number 1?
Yes, Ji.
Why? Because it is Shakaranta Dhatu
Followed by Jal.
followed by Jal. So becomes Dish plus Tva. After that what rule apply? Any other rules applied in between?
No, we can't apply that
No other rules apply.
exception to the Choku. So it's only Shtutvam then.
Only Shtutvam.
We can apply only Shtutvam.
Yes. So becomes Tva. So you get Dish Tva. Dish Tva. Now here sum, I think, right? Sum plus Dish Tva. Sum plus Dish Tva. So what will happen? Is it sum plus Dish Tva? Yes.
Sum plus Dish
Yeah.
plus Yakara.
So it Anuswara becomes Sun. Sun Dish.
Sandishya.
Sandishya. What will come? Sandishya or Sandishya? Which one will come?
This one, the Sandishya.
Sandishya.
What is being? Yeah.
Yes, it becomes Sandishya. Dhatu is Dish. I think the form will be Dishya. If you take Dish, Sandishya. Murdani Shakara, I don't think it is there. You can check the Dhatu. You can check the Dhatu. 1 minute. Just a minute. Yes. Okay. I'll check that later, whether Mudani Shakara. I don't think it is there. So it will become Sandishya only. Let me check later. Okay. Must be Dish Dhatu. Right? Okay. Next person.
Right change. Ut plus Thitva.
Yes.
Uthaya.
Yeah, here you know this form. Ut plus Stitva is
Uttishtati
Uttaya.
becomes Thitva.
Okay. Yeah.
Uttishtati, Uthaya.
Uttaya. Yes. Here also one rule is specifically for this, but not required now. Ut plus Stitva, you can remember Uttaya. Continue.
It is only Dish Atisarjane.
Sorry?
It is Dish Atisarjane Tudadigana.
Bodhani Shakara or Dantri?
No, not the Talavyata Shakara.
Okay. Fine. It's correct only. Sandishya.
This Ut plus Ta plus Ya, Ji, is it?
Huh?
Ut plus Ta plus Ya. Sakara is vanished here?
Yes, it's dropped. Rule is there in 8-4. But because of that, Sakara is dropped. You get Uttaya.
Okay.
Yes, continue, Ganesh.
Upa plus Vishtva. So here also I think Takara gets dropped. Upavishya.
Okay, here also, what Upavishya, which Shakara is that?
So here Murdanya Shakara comes in.
No, Vish means to enter. Upavishya means having seated. Vish means to enter. With Upasarga, Upa means seated. Upavishatu, please be seated. Pravishya, having entered. Upavishya, having seated. So Vish Dhatu. Okay. Vish Dhatu, Vish to enter. Vish plus Tva Pratyaya. Vish is Shakara, applying that rule. That Vrasya, Srija. Shakaranta Dhatu followed by Jal. Letter will be replaced with Mudanya Shakara. You get Vish. Then applying the Shtutta Sandhi, you get Vishtva. Now, since Ya is there, Upa plus Vish plus Ya, therefore you cannot apply that Shatvam. Why? Why you can't apply Shatvam?
Dakara is not Jal.
Chal.
not jal. Therefore, you cannot apply it. Can you all follow? You want me to type it? Please tell me. You want me to type this?
Yes.
Okay. Why it is not applied? See, vish dhatu. It is vish dhatu. Vish plus tva. You can apply shatvam, number 1. Talavi shakara will be replaced by murdani shakara, then followed by jal. Dhatu ending with Talavi shakara will be replaced by murdani shakara, when followed by jal. So vishtva. Then shtutam you can apply, becomes vishtva. This is the form you get. Now with upa sarga, upa plus vish plus tva, right? Dhatu is vish dhatu. That you have to spot it. I'm saying here it cannot, this dhatu vish cannot become murdani shakara. That's what my question. Why? Why cannot become murdanya? Because it is not. This is not followed by
Chal.
Challet.
jal letter. Because when upasarga is there, twa will be replaced by lyap. So lyap is there. The content is ya. Ya is not a jal letter. Therefore, here the talavi shakara cannot become murdanya. So it is upavish. Vish dhatu. So we get upa vishya. Got it? Ganesh ji?
It remains as Talavya.
It remains as Talavya. That is original dhatu remains as Talavya. Yes.
Right.
Okay. All these are good examples. Okay. We see so many rules coming again and again in this connection. Okay. Next one. Next person.
19. Upa plus hasitva. Upahasya.
Upahasya. Has dhatu. Has tula. Upahasya. Good. Next one.
Ni plus vedayitva. I think nivedya.
Nivedya. So, ni plus ved plus it becomes vedi, vedya, nivedya. Veda is causing to know, causing to nivedanam. So, it is nijanta. E goes away. So, ved plus vedya. Next person. Kameshwari.
A plus chadayitva. Achadya. Achadya.
Achadya. Chadayi. When you see it is a nijanta. 10th gana or nijanta it must be. So chadya. Chad plus ya. Achadya. Having covered.
Next V plus smritva. Vismritya.
Good. Vismritya. Get to Kagama.
Yeah.
Vismritya. Continue.
Some plus smritva, that is samsmritya, same thing.
Okay.
Then ud plus dritva, Uddharya.
Uddharya. Why Uddharya?
I thought Rikara.
Huh?
Rikara is there, no?
So?
That like Smrit. Oh, Udruya. I don't know.
Smritva, what did you say? V plus
Smritya.
Same thing here.
Yeah, okay, Udritya.
Udritya. Udritya. Ud plus Dritya. Udritya.
Then Nir plus Gatva. Nirgatya.
Nirgatya, Nirgamya.
Yeah, correct. Nirgamya. Nirgatya or Nirgamya.
Gamdhatu.
Gamdhatu.
Okay.
Shall I proceed? Prati plus Gatva. Same thing. Pratigamya or Prati Gatya.
Okay, next person. Lataji. Lataji, you can unmute your mic.
Pari plus ganayitva. Pari with ganayitva, pariganya.
Yeah, good. Gana is 10th Gana Dhatu.
Some plus some with aptva samapya.
Okay, good.
Upa plus upa with krutva, upakrutya.
Okay.
That tukagama comes there.
Good.
Pariveshayitva, pariveshya.
Again, here
that
it is
also we keep the alavya.
Nich. Pariveshya. No. Here the form is parivesha. Vesha only.
Oh.
Pariveshayitva means having served. Pariveshana.
Pariveshya.
Pariveshya.
Pariveshya. Then
Not
we
talavya
keep the
shakara. It is murdanya.
talavya shakara.
No, murdanya shakara only. It is not talavya.
Oh, it's not talavya. Vesh is a murdanya.
Murdanya only. Pariveshya.
Pariveshya.
You can check the dhatu. It is murdanya only. The dhatu itself, murdanya is there.
Okay.
Different dhatu this.
Okay. Some preshayitva, sampreshya.
Sampreshya. Presh dhatu. Sam plus preshya. Sampreshya. Okay. Then?
We with the likhitva. Lik is a dhatu there. Vilikya
only, yes.
Vilikya only.
Vi plus lik dhatu plus lyap pratyaya vilikya.
Then here, why is it not tukagama not coming even?
How it will come? What is the last letter? The dhatu.
Oh, it's a lik. It's not a.
It's not a vowel. It's a consonant.
It's not a vowel. It's not a consonant.
Sundarji, you can do the next one.
Ud plus nitva. Is it unniya?
Very good. How do you know unniya?
Ni is the dhatu.
It's okay. Ni plus ya, niya. But how you know it's unniya?
Niya. That is when it takes that savarna, that is the last the na, that fifth one it takes instead of the dakara.
What rule is that?
It's one of the that rule is
what is that rule?
Anunasika sandhi. Yeah.
Very good.
That is the fifth one.
Okay. Good.
Okay. A plus
dakara is replaced by yaraha, yer letter. You say yer letter. Anunasika means yer letter. Yer followed by Anunasika. Yer will be replaced by the Anunasika letter. So unniya.
I remember by your example of Jagannatha.
Very good. Yeah, that's good. Actually, you need to remember some examples. By examples, you correct. Good. Continue.
A plus sudva.
Rudva.
Rudva. Okay.
It is Rudva.
Arudva. Here it will become Arudya. Will it become Arudya suddenly? No. Rud is the dhatu, isn't it? Hello?
It becomes difficult. It is.
I think.
Shanji, we didn't hear you for some time, Shanji.
Okay, now you can hear me?
Yeah.
Sometime means just only for a few seconds, I think, right?
Just few seconds.
Dhatu is Rug Dhatu. The form is Arukhya. So this we will see in the next class. Okay, next class I will introduce some more rules connected to this. So be prepared for that. So whatever rules we have seen so far, you need to remember that. Tukkagama Sandhi, Tukkagama Vidhi Visa today, right? And when Anit follows and the Ni goes away, that is one more thing we have seen, right? And this Anunasika is dropped when followed by Jaladi, Kit, Pratyaya. That also you need to remember. So I don't want to load you with some more rules today. So this is enough. Arukhya. How we become, that we will see. Maybe next class we'll see. You can remind me, next class we'll start with that. Okay.
You taught once.
I taught once, but I don't think people will be remembering this. Anybody remember this? How it comes?
Akara becomes a Dakara.
I have not taught here, I think. Did I teach you?
Yeah.
Somewhere you mentioned, Sharanji.
No problem. Next class I'll explain this again. Okay. Continue, Sundarji.
Nir plus dishtva, nirdishya.
Dish dhatu. Last class we saw. Remember? Dik, disho, dishaha, dish dhatu. Dish means direction. Dik, disho, dishaha, disham, disho, dishaha, disha, digyam, digbihi, dishe, digyam, digbyaha. Did you all try to derive the dish dhatu? That is shabda. Got?
Yes, sure.
Yes, Sharanji.
Good.
I think we saw when we saw Tumun, we saw that Arodum or something.
Yeah, I remember saying that.
Yeah, okay, no problem.
Yeah.
I'll say it again next class.
But how many times we hear, it's better to.
Correct.
I don't want to load with more rules, so next class nobody will turn up. So this much is enough. Nirdishya. Then last one, Sundarji.
V plus charayitva.
Yes. By seeing the Vicharya. Charayi, the 10th gana. You can just infer. It must be 10th gana. I can, yes. Not 10th gana, it's causative. I mean, 10th gana, what it means is Nijanta. Okay. Chara is not 10th gana. For first gana dhatu. Chara is that. Therefore, Nijanta. Chara, Vicharya. V plus dhatu is, what is dhatu? Sundarji. Dhatu is? I myself said no. Char dhatu. No, its a causative form will be?
Charayati.
No. It's causative form. The dhatu I'm asking. Just the dhatu.
Chari.
Chari. Char plus
Okay.
becomes.
The nich will be added.
Yes. Like pat becomes party. Char becomes chari.
Okay.
So V plus chari plus lyap. Lyap is what? Anit. Doesn't have, cannot take it. Therefore, chari, that E, which is of knee,
E will get dropped.
Dropped. Vicharya. Having inquired. Vicharya. Okay. Okay, I think we can stop here. So 3 new rules we saw today. If you find the rules are too much, you can let me know. So I'm trying to tell all the possible rules now so that the next topic will be easy. And after that, we'll be seeing only lessons. Only lessons, infant reader. Infant reader from the first lesson onwards, we will see again. Why first lesson? We can do Karmani Prayoga and we can use Kridanta, same simple sentences of what we have seen. The first, I think we saw 14 lessons, right? Infant reader, 14 or 15?
14.
We are going to continue actually from the beginning onwards. We can do this, take the same sentences and do all the prayogas. So it will be a good abhyasa. In fact, that is what I'm doing in the Gurukulam for the long-term students here. I already done actually. But many times, even though I have done many times, but it is still fresh for them. So I'm doing it. So the same thing we can do. Okay. So if you have any doubts, you can ask. You can stop here. And thank God today internet was there, so we could do it. I hope net connection will be there tomorrow. We can continue our classes. Okay, do you have any doubts? Can you all hear me?
Yes, no doubts. Yeah.
Okay, so I think with this, the topic of lyap is over. So there's nothing is there after that. So this one exercise is a simple exercise we can do. It's a simple one. Oh, one more thing is that. Oh, I think it is there for sound. We can just go through this. Mainly it's done, almost done. This. So we have seen Tumun, Twa, Lyap. These are the first Kridanta we have seen now. After that, other Kridantas we will see. Okay.
One doubt.
Yes.
For Kritva is for some of the dhatus it took samprasaranam, right? That doesn't apply for Lyap.
Samprasaranam, yes. Doesn't apply for Lyap.
Doesn't
okay.
The example we saw is Vach becomes Uktva.
Yes. So I'm just thinking. Okay. Let me check some example. If I get some example.
Okay. Okay.
It must apply because the Lyap also has a status of Kirtan. So therefore it must apply. And think of some other dhatu where it can be seen. It must apply.
Okay.
Even if it is replaced by Lyap, it must apply because Lyap also is a pit as well as the kit. It has both the properties. Okay. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamadachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Please try to keep all these rules. You can write it as in the format as you like and keep it for your usage till you remember this. You need to remember this. Then you need to go through this rules, remember the rules, and be familiar with the prakriya. Right? Otherwise, it becomes difficult later. Again, you will start thinking of starting from the scratch again. So don't leave it. Just continue with the flow and try to remember these rules. You have to write it in the format what you prefer. I'm putting that everything in a table, but at the table after some time you will see it's a long table column. It may be threatening too much. So I'm just capturing all the rules in the table so that it's all in one place. But you can have separately Anuswara Sandhi, you can have separately Prakriya. Similarly, the Uttam, Jastam, and after the Jastam number 2, Chartam, you can have it separately. Then rules related to Twa Pratyaya, Lyap Pratyaya, what we saw now, that also you can write it separately. I will try to do it if I get time. But you keep like this, be easy. So when you talk about the rules pertaining to the Adhudhatuka Pratyaya, then those rules are applied. Okay. Dhanyavada.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.